I am declaring the road conditions a national emergency.
From ever since, Jamaican roads have always been in bad condition. And you mean to tell me that the Prime Minister is just realizing that this is a national emergency? For far too long, the condition of our roads has been a pressing concern for commuters, motorists, and pedestrians alike. The potholed, crumbling, and poorly maintained roads have become a norm, claiming countless lives and causing irreparable damage to vehicles. It is appalling that it has taken the government an eternity to realize the gravity of the situation and acknowledge the urgent need for proper road maintenance. The statistics are staggering. According to recent reports, thousands of people lose their lives every year due to road accidents, with a significant number of these crashes attributed to poor road conditions. The emotional toll on families and loved ones is immeasurable, and the economic burden on the nation is substantial. Moreover, the poor state of our roads disproportionate impact on vulnerable road users, such as pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists. These individuals are more susceptible to injuries and fatalities due to the lack of proper infrastructure and safety measures. The human cost of neglecting our roads extends beyond the immediate consequences of accidents. The stress and anxiety caused by navigating poorly maintained roads take a toll on mental health. The constant fear of accidents, the frustration of being stuck in traffic, and the financial burden of repairing damaged vehicles all contribute to a decline in overall well-being. Let's look at some economic consequences. The economic implications of neglecting our roads are far-reaching. The cost of repairing and maintaining vehicles damaged by potholes and poor road conditions is staggering. According to estimates, the average motorist spends a significant amount of money each year on repairs and maintenance due to poor road conditions. Additionally, the time wasted due to traffic congestion and road closures has a significant impact on productivity and economic growth. Businesses suffer losses due to delayed deliveries, and employees waste valuable time stuck in traffic. The opportunity cost of neglecting our roads is substantial, with potential investments in education, healthcare, and other critical infrastructure being diverted to address the consequences of poor road maintenance. Furthermore, the poor state of our roads deters tourists, investors, and businesses, ultimately affecting the country's reputation and economic development. A well-maintained road network is essential for attracting investment, promoting tourism, and facilitating trade. It is imperative that the government takes immediate action to address the deplorable state of our roads. This requires a multifaceted approach including 1. Increased funding. Allocate sufficient funds for road maintenance, repair, and construction. This may involve reallocating existing budgets, exploring alternative funding sources, or implementing a dedicated road maintenance tax. Number 2, improved planning. Develop a comprehensive road maintenance plan, prioritizing high-risk areas and ensuring regular inspections. This plan should be data-driven, taking into account traffic volume, road conditions, and accident statistics. Number 3, enhance safety measures. Implement safety features such as guardrails, pedestrian crossings, and proper lighting. This should include investing in intelligent transportation systems, such as traffic management software and real-time monitoring systems. Number 4, community engagement. Encourage public participation in road maintenance initiatives and provide education on road safety. This can be achieved through public awareness campaigns, community outreach programs, and collaborative planning initiatives. And lastly but not least, accountability. Establish a system of accountability, ensuring that those responsible for road maintenance are held to high standards. This may involve the implementing performance metrics, conducting regular audits, and providing incentives for good performance. The state of our roads is a public emergency that demands immediate attention. The government must acknowledge the severity of the situation and take decisive action to address the issue. This requires a collaborative effort from all stakeholders, including government agencies, private sector companies, and the general public. As citizens, we must demand more from our government and hold them accountable for their actions. We must also take personal responsibility for road safety, adhering to traffic laws, reporting road hazards, and supporting initiatives that can promote road maintenance and safety. Together, we can create a safer, more sustainable, and more prosperous future for ourselves and future generations. The time for action is now. And thank you for